This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. RV lot is approximately 35 feet x 70 feet with potential for short-term transient rental income. This ROGO exempt lot number 647 may also be suited for installation of stilted manufactured home, buyer to verify. It's situated adjacent to wide street which allows for ease of setup for larger RVs. Features a concrete entertaining area and sidewalk with tropical landscaping along the perimeter of the property for a natural privacy buffer. Common bathhouse and laundry just steps away from here for added convenience. Utilities: water, sewer, electric, 110, 30 and 50 amp service, cable and internet. Venture Out Resort offers 24 hours gated security, amenities such as pool, hot tub, tennis, box ball, pickleball, basketball, marina, playground, kids pool, marina, rec center game room, activities and more. For more information, review the details below.